Right now, as you watch this, 78% of people around you are one emergency away from losing everything. Not next year, not someday, right now. And the scariest part? Most of them don't even see it coming. I'm Max. And in the next 6 minutes, I'm going to show you the 6 invisible forces quietly destroying your wealth, whether you know it or not. But before we start, here's something most people never realize. The system wasn't built to keep you poor. It was built to keep you busy. Too busy working to notice what's actually happening to your money. By the end of this video, you'll see it clearly. And more importantly, you'll know what to do. Let's start with the obvious one, inflation. Since 2020, your purchasing power has dropped by over 40%. That dollar you had in your wallet 4 years ago, it buys 60 cents worth of stuff today. And the official numbers? They're actually hiding the real cost of groceries, rent, and insurance. But here's the twist nobody talks about. Even if inflation stopped today, you'd still be losing. Because of force number 2, wage stagnation. The average worker's pay has barely moved in real terms for over a decade. You're running faster just to stay in the same place. And that's just the beginning. Force number 3, the debt trap. Credit card interest rates are now over 25%. Student loans? Still crushing an entire generation. And most people don't realize they're not paying off debt. They're paying interest on debt while the balance barely moves. It's a treadmill, and the house always wins. Force number 4 might surprise you. The subscription economy, that streaming service you forgot about. The app you stopped using. The gym membership gathering dust. The average American now spends over $200 a month on subscriptions they barely use. $200 every month. Vanishing. Now, here's where it gets really uncomfortable. Force number 5. The housing math is broken. The median home price has tripled in 20 years. Median income? Barely moved. If you're waiting to save up for a house like your parents did, the math literally doesn't work anymore. And force number 6 might be the most dangerous of all. The retirement illusion. You've been told to save 10%, put it in a 401k, and wait 40 years. But with inflation, fees, and market volatility, that plan is mathematically broken for most people under 40. Most millennials and Gen Z won't retire the way their parents did. That's not a prediction. That's math. Okay, so everything's terrible, right? Wrong. Because now that you can see the 6 forces, you can fight them. Here's what I want you to understand. It is not your fault. The system changed on you, and knowing how it works is the first step to protecting yourself. So what do you actually do? 3 things. Starting today, 1. Protect your purchasing power. Cash in a savings account loses value every year. Look into assets that grow with inflation. Index funds, real estate, skills that pay more over time. 2. Kill the silent drains. Audit your subscriptions tonight. Cancel what you don't use. That $200 a month? Invested. It's worth over $100,000 in 20 years. 3. Build income that scales. One job isn't enough anymore. A side skill, a small business, content creation, something that grows while you sleep. You don't need to do everything at once. Just start. You're not alone in this. You're not broken. And you're not too late. But the people who do nothing, they'll be the 78%. If this video opened your eyes, hit subscribe. Because next week, I'm going to show you exactly how the housing market is rigged and why it's not your fault you can't afford a home. I'm Max. This is Finance Decoded, and your money deserves the truth.